Hey, it's nearly 9 o'clock na. Hala! It's nearly 9 o'clock! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Good morning! Kalamit man sa inyong tulog, oy. Sana all. Sana How was your sleep? Good. How was your sleep, Celine Ray? Have fun, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
But when I finish, we'll come back.
Of course. Of course you will. Mama will wait, okay? Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. It's currently 8:30 in the morning. And I am feeling so lonely this morning. So, it's Daddy Mike's first day sa kanyang new work today. And I got used to like waking up na nandito si Daddy Mike. So, it's very strange this morning na wala siya dito. At kasi yung ating dalawang little girls ay tulog pa. So, I feel like, is this happening? So, I'm just boiling water now. Yeah, I'll make my coffee bago gumising yung dalawa. So, I'm super excited for Daddy Mike. Nagising siya kanina umaga at 5 o'clock kasi pupunta siya ng gym. As always, alam niyo naman yun yung ginagawa niya, diba? So, kahit dito sa Brisbane, hindi pa talaga namin alam yung pasikot-sikot dito, ay alam na niya kung nasa ng gym. So, doon siya mag-ready and then he'll go straight to his work. I know he's going to do great today. There's no doubt about that. And nag-message kami. At ano na siya. He's on his way na daw doon. So, yeah, super excited for him. And today is kanina pagkagising ko. Naglinis-linis ako konti dito kasi yung dalawang pinsan ko ay pupunta dito ngayong umaga. Sabi nila around 10:30 to 11 daw. Si Joy tsaka si Prince. Kasi they're asking me if they can take Paris out for an ice cream or for laag-laag. Alam niyo. And I know our little girl will love it so much. Alam niyo naman kung gano'ng kamahal ni Ate Paris yung lumabas, diba? So, I think, yeah, they'll take her out and then kami lang yung babysitting dito na inuman. Then later on, I have to go to the post office anyway. I need to post something. So, yeah, it's very different, guys, no? It's very different na buhay kasi sa Melbourne, walang kumukuha kay Paris. Like, yeah, I take her to childcare, gano'n. Pero dito, yeah, I have family na mag-ano sa kanya. Yung iba pa siya. So, ito pala yung binili ko, guys. So, kasi very easy lang. Nasa sachet. Cookies and cream latte. I will go check sa ating mga bulilits kung ano mga pangyayari dito. I'm watching pala, oh. Simply Race. YouTube pa more. Tingnan mo. So, I got their clothes ready. Hayaan mo muna natin. Maaga pa naman. Alam niyo ba, sobrang aga ng kanilang araw dito. Kanina, 5 o'clock, nag-set din ako ng alarm. Kasi si Daddy Mike sabi niya, baka daw hindi mag-work yun sa kanya. Nag-set din ako sa phone ko. So, nagising ako ng 5 o'clock pagkagising niya. At may araw, hindi naman siguro araw, no? But, hindi na siya madilim. In Melbourne, like 5 o'clock is still really dark. But dito, parang ano na talaga, parang umaga na talaga ang kanilang 5 o'clock. Pero I think maaga din silang dumidilim dito. So that's the, Wakey, wakey. Mama will open the window now, okay? The blinds. Good morning. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Ayan. Puti-puti ang kanyang lips, oh. Toothpaste yan. Kagabi. Hello! Alamia sa tulog, oy. You know what, guys? I love this bed. That's why. Hey, it's nearly 9 o'clock na. Hello! It's nearly 9 o'clock! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh. Good morning! Kalamit man sa inyong tulog. Oy, sana all. Sana How was your sleep? Good. How was your sleep, Celine Ray? Okay, I don't need you to answer it now. I know. By your smile. Shush! Shush! I love you. I love you, Celine. I love you at the Paris. I love you at the Paris.
I love you.
Kalami sa mga pahiyom.
I love you, love you,
I love you, love you, love you.
I love you.
Say thank you, Lord, for a new day. Sarap talaga ng tulog nila, guys. Ito siya, normally siya payak-iyak. Very happy last night. Maganda yung kanyang tulog. Straight. Gung, 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 gung. Did you dream, Ate?
Yeah.
About what? Did you dream about what?
Butterflies.
Wee-oo, wee-oo.
Butterfly.
Butterfly? What did the butterfly do in your dreams?
She fly and it's a rainbow one.
Oh, it's a rainbow. Anak. Ow. Come on, hand. Out. Celine! Celine! Hi! Hi! Kiki!
Gada gada, squishy squishy.
Squishy, squishy, squishy. Careful na kayo. Aday.
What's that?
Okay. Are you excited for today na?
Yeah.
Do you know where Daddy is?
I don't know.
Really?
Office.
Okay, where?
Office.
That's right. Yay. It's Daddy's first day today.
No, I just need to go to the office.
Celine is very quiet. Oh, very quiet ang baby girl. Ni mama. Love mo na ni mama. Love mo na ni mama. Palangga siya mama nga bi. It's lang nga ba? It's so sleepy. Oh, he's so sleepy. Chiki bum. Come on na. I'll got your breakfast there now. Get up now, people. It's time to get up. Celine Ray. It's time to get up now. Hindi ko na close. Oh, hirap nang i-close. Oy. Very tight. Very tight. Hey. 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 You have to get up na ba? Hmm? Hmm? Get up na ba? George, langhap gihapon na? Hmm? Langhap gihapon? Ate Paris, cuddle. Ang sweet nila nito, guys. Nabihisa na ang ating ate, oh. Very warm sa labas, guys. Super. Sabi ni Nanay Mike, he's sweating daw. Hindi pa nga siya nakarating ng work. He's sweating na daw. Come on na, baby Celine. You can see it. Oh! Woo! Tingnan nyo ang kanyang lips, guys. So, yung nangyari kasi sa kanyang lips, nung pumunta kami sa bahay ng tito ko, alam niyo naman kung gaano to siya ka-movable, di ba? So, she,
Look at this.
bang her mouth sa kanilang couch doon. So, nagkasukat sa ilalim. Yeah, she can close it properly. Kaya yan, nag-dry yung toothpaste. We'll just do your hair again, ha? After. Binak! Let's know! Celine! Do you like that now? Wow! Wow!
I know there's colors inside it.
Yeah. Rainbow. Aalis na ang ating ate. Yes, my cousins. Hi, that's Joy and Prince. Meron taga-sundo? Sana may taga-sundo. Huh? You be a good girl, okay? I know you are. You won't have issue with her. She's pretty good. Alright, do you have money? Whoopsie. You have to call your daddy. You have to call your daddy, okay? Where you going? Ay, kuha na niya yan. Can you please be a good girl? Okay?
Okay.
Have fun, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
But when I'm finished, we'll come back.
Of course. Of course you will. Mama will wait, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want you to have fun. Okay. Oh, Joy, I don't think I have your number, Joy. You have fun?
Okay.
Yay!
You have my mother.
Ay, taka naman ko Tama ko. Okay. Have fun. Enjoy.
You ready? Let's go. Thank you.
Thanks,
Take care, ha?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Take her back later.
Make sure you take her back. Ayun guys, kakaalis lang nila. I don't know why. I'm feeling like I'm going to cry. Alam niyo guys, hindi kasi ako sanay na may nag-aano kay Paris ba? Yun bang pinapasyal si Paris? Ganun. So, yeah. I feel nabaguhan lang siguro ako guys. Ngayon kami lang ni Baby Celine dito. We'll go for a walk later on. Sobrang init pa kasi sa labas. Tulog pa. It's 1:10 ng hapon and we decided to go out. Yes! Lumabas ako kanina guys just to feel kung gaano kainit sa labas. And it's not too bad kasi yung araw ay hindi nakalabas so hindi siya masyadong masakit. Nanak, no! So, Celine is gonna go for a walk with Mama. Yung post office nila dito guys, we've been there before and it's about Ano nga ba? Maybe 9 minutes walk. Let's say, nandun na rin yung Coles, yung supermarket pa. So we'll grab something from there as well. So we got nothing on yet. Alam niyo ba, pagkaalis ni Ate Paris kanina, pagka-off ko ng camera, di ba? nag-vlog pa ako for I think a minute. Sobrang iyak ko, guys. Grabe. So, tumulo talaga yung luha ko. Nag-message ko kay Daddy Mike. I'm not used to it. Kasi even though dinadala ko si Paris sa childcare, I knew na nandun siya sa isang place lang. But this is the first time na parang I'm out of control. Parang hindi ko makokontrol kung ano yung nangyayari. Nandun kasama niya yung tito tsaka tita niya. Alam niyo yun. So, I think like everyone will understand, right? Mothers are warrior. So, nag-worry ka kahit konting bagay, nag-worry. And since first time ni Ate Paris na lumabas ng ganito, sobrang worry talaga ako, guys. But then, yeah, I messaged Joy. Sabi ko, you know, let me know as soon as you get there safely. And nag-message si Joy, nandun na daw sila. Nag-send sila ng picture sa akin. So, I am more calm now. Kalmado na si mami nyo. So, before sila umuwi dito, yun gagawin namin, ilalakad-lakad ko itong isa. Naghihintay na, oh. Big girl ikaw? Sabi ko nga kay Joy, message ko sa kanya, sabi ko, just in case Paris ask for toys, kasi pag alam niyo naman, pag nakakita ng toys, yun guys, sabihin niyo na lang na we'll let mommy and daddy know when we get home, or we still have to go to work and get some money. Naiintindihan naman ni Paris most of the times. So, hopefully hindi siya mag-arte. But we'll go now, guys. See you later.
A few moments later.
3 o'clock, guys. Kakawi lang namin from our walk. And she is sleeping. Nag-iisipan ko kung kukunin ko itong plastic bag. Baka kasi gumawa ng tunog. Magising. How about this one? Coconut juice. Ganda yung tulog niya. Mamaya na lang siguro yan. Hugas mo na ako ng pinggan dito while she's sleeping. Gusto ko na siya ipasok dito para cool ba. Medyo, ano kasi dito sa labas, very warm. But she's sleeping fine, so. Stop there, right there. Time check, tita and tito. It's now 6 o'clock ng gabi. Kakagising lang yan. Kanina hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. I took her to have a bath. Did you have a bath? Pagkatapos niyang mag-bath, nagdede, tapos nakatulog. So, ngayon lang siya nagising. Ngayon lang siya nagising. How was your nap? How was your nap? It's just very dark man here na. Oy, guys, alam niyo ba, wala pa dito sa Ate Paris. Hindi pa nakauwi na. Do you miss Ate Paris, Baba? Hindi pa nakauwi ang Ate Paris natin. Nag-stop kasi sila doon sa isang tita ko, guys. You excited to see Ate Paris when she comes home? Nag-send sila ng video sa akin, alam nyo? Nag-piano-piano si Ate Paris natin doon sa sa bahay ng tita ko.
Hey girls, look at this girl say. Paris. Paris. Okay, play now, play. Play, sugar. Yay.
Tapos, ang ating Daddy Mike ay hindi pa rin nakauwi. Tumawag siya sa akin kaya nasabi niya he's leaving work na daw. So, kami lang talaga dito ni Baby Celine na iwan. Naglinis-linis na lang ako dito, guys. Habang ito ay tulog. Celine! Celine! Tingnan niyo ang kanyang dito, na side, Nakatigilid kasi yan siya natulog. So, tingnan niyo, may folds dito. Ayan, may mark. I love you pala, nanak. I love you pala, nanak. What is it? What are you looking at? This one? This one? Did you have a good nap? Cuddle me.
2000 man.
Did you miss Daddy today, honey?
Did you miss Daddy?
Did you miss Dada?
Did you miss?
Daddy's home, guys, but Paris is not home.
Did you miss Dad? Did you miss
Paris
Dad?
is partying. Paris is partying, Daddy.
Yeah.
How was your first day?
Yeah, it was good.
Good.
Pretty easy. Not much going on. Hello, everybody. Yeah, not much going on. Bit of induction, compliance, policy, reading, blah blah blah. There's only me and the team leader there, which is nice.
Did you get that laptop and all?
Yeah, but I don't need to bring it home yet because I'm not coming home
You're not coming home?
until later.
Huh?
I'm not working from home until later. So yeah, I don't want to really carry it around. Yeah. Other than that, all good.
Yeah. So tomorrow still, are they all working from home?
Yeah, but there'll be one of the other girls coming in.
Go girl, hello. She just woke up from her nap too.
Yeah.
Just took her out.
They're all young.
Yeah?
Yeah. Apparently Abby got a job.
Who?
Abby, in Bank of Queensland.
Abhijit.
Yeah. But like he'll stay in Melbourne.
Oh really? Oh,
She's like, oh, I just employed one of your colleagues, Abby.
Let's go.
Actually, I'm gonna give him a call.
Maybe we'll see where at the Paris at. Hala, I don't think they're coming home anytime soon. She's sitting there.
That's alright. As long as
Have a
she's...
look.
Can I have a look? Open it up. Zoom it in. As long as she's okay.
Yeah, she's with the cat. Tignan nyo.
As long as my girl's okay, can I?
Andun pa siya, guys. Oh my goodness, you know how much I miss her na ba? 7:20 people. Hindi pa rin nakauwi ang ating Ate Paris. So we are just taking baby Celine for a walk. It's her bedtime soon. So ayan, just around the block. Yan na yung view ng city. That's the big wheel. And that is Daddy Mike's work is around there. Sobrang nice, guys, no? Kapag gabi, very nice yung weather kasi hindi siya mainit. It's very, basta lovely lang talaga siya, guys. During the day lang na sobrang mainit, but during the night, it's beautiful. Ate Paris is coming home na, anak. Nag-message na yung cousin ko, guys. They're on their way na daw. Careful. Yes, yeah, this is so busy. Lots of cars. Princess.
That's a really nice room.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Daming nag-jogging dito, guys. Nice. So, hindi kami lalayo. Dito lang kami sa block na to, guys. Kasi, yeah, papauwi na ang ating baby girl, Ate Paris natin. Siling. Did you miss Ate Paris? Siling. Nakauwi na, natatago pa lang na. Nagtatago siya sa ilalim. I'm wondering where Paris is. I miss her so much. I hope she comes out. Soon.
Where's Paris?
I was waiting. Yeah, it was good, ma'am.
Paris didn't come with us.
Oh, where is she?
Yeah. I don't know.
She stayed there.
I love it.
I miss her.
Diba, do?
Come here. I miss you so much.
Paris.
Honey, don't give.
Don't worry about mommy. Go Celine straight away.
I really want to jump.
You what?
She went jumping again today.
Oh no.
Oh, did she?
Yeah.
I did a big one and I jumped super high.
And she did a backflip. She's like, yeah, look what I
Did he eat
And
it?
my boyfriend was like, whoa.
Oh
Yeah,
my
don't eat
goodness.
that. He was like, don't eat it.
Yeah, it's very sticky. Hey, hey.
What did you do today?
What did you do today?
Open. That's very sticky, anak.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's falling asleep as well. I said like, oh, you didn't see Tita and Tito before
So
when they
sticky.
came here.
Yeah, and she was like,
So sticky.
Dad came home.
Oh yeah.
Touch
And
it.
then she was like,
Oh yeah.
like okay,
Ah, is she hiding?
she
She loves hiding. You love hiding, don't you?
It's really sticky. If you get that in your hair, you know we have to shave it off.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I did it. I did it before. Like she put everything on her hair. Yeah. Yeah, make sure it doesn't go to your hair now.
I was trying to get her to eat today. She didn't. She only had like crackers and stuff.
Yeah.
'Cause,
Typical Paris.
yeah, she didn't wanna-
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
yeah, I tried giving her like rice or something when we got home, but she didn't want to.
Yeah. Are you full, Paris?
But she did get some ice cream.
A lot of ice cream.
Of course.
Yeah, because Tita Kristen gave her another one, and I was like, Tita, she already ate too much ice cream.
I know you have some nuggets in a minute.
Yeah.
Like, I feel bad.
Yeah, she's looking at you. Yeah, when you grow up, you can go as well, okay? You can go with Tita Joy as well.
Dandy, 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 dandy. Dandy, 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 dandy. Too cute.
She was looking for you today, Paris.
Yeah.
She's like, where's that Paris? Cuckoo gaga. She did.
Why didn't you take her, Paris? You left your sister. You left Celine.
Dili siya hilak sa imo, Joy. Imo siya ilingkod ka. Ako siya ilingkod. Hilak siya. Ay, mga bata-bita, mga kuan kayo. Kung ginikanan, kay kanang kuan. Magsalig man ko siguro, no? Oh, this one na, oh. Kapiyong-piyong naman gina siya gina, katulgon. Sige pa man lang giyang kalimutaw.
She doesn't cry anymore. What happened?
We went for a walk and she was like, that's supposed to like, let's just go home. Yes?
That's right. Normally.
Bye-bye, Tita and Tito. Thank you for taking me
Tired
out.
now. You're tired?
Yeah.
No.
You can tell her face.
She's sad.
Why are you sad?
You're not sad? Okay, sa bakit ti Tito? Just say, you said bakit ti Tito?
Yeah, they're leaving now.
Carlos.
See you again next time. Yeah. Welcome. Yeah, if you don't, we'll see you probably on a weekend.
Yeah.
See ya. Thanks for taking out Paris.
Thanks, Dad.
Alright.
Thank you so much, huh?
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, Dad.
Thank you. We drive safe
Yeah, we'll do.
and let me know when you get home safe.